Welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today I have another sauce video. We're going to be making enchilada sauce. Before we get into that, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. It's got it right here. All right, so today I am going to be making red enchilada sauce. This is going to be a part of a series. I'm going to be doing, I've already made tartar sauce, I've made mustard, I've made mayonnaise. And this is going to be for some different things I'm going to be making for videos that's going to be coming out. But this is a really easy recipe. So instead of buying red enchilada sauce that you buy in the store, you can make it yourself, and I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to move you over to the stove, and I'm going to show you how easy this is to do. It's really quick to whip up yourself. So let's get moved over. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is make up a roux. And a roux, all that is basically an oil and a flour. And you can use whatever oil you want to use. Today I'm going to just use unsalted butter. And you're going to need 2 tablespoons of whatever oil you want to use. Avocado oil, butter, olive oil. Just use a natural oil. I wouldn't suggest vegetable oil. And you just want to melt that down. You could even use ghee here. And I've just got my stove on about a medium heat. Turn my light on. There we go. Now we can see. And the difference between a roux and a gravy is usually you use like chicken broth or a vegetable broth. A gravy usually has milk or a dairy product. Okay, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Just going to get that mixed up. Okay, and to this, I am adding some cumin, and I'm going to write down all the ingredients down below. I'm adding oregano, salt, and garlic. Okay, and then chili powder. American chili powder. Okay, we're going to mix that up in the pan. And then you're slowly going to start adding about 2 cups of, I'm using chicken broth, but you can use vegetable. Okay. And then we're just going to cook this up until it slightly thickens. Guys, it smells amazing. After this, you will never ever want to buy store-bought enchilada sauce again. And you can use this immediately or store it in your refrigerator for about 3 days. Look at that. Let me get another spoon. I'm going to show y'all how thick this is right now. Look at that. Beautiful red enchilada sauce. Just like that. Okay. Move you back over here. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pour it up in a mason jar. And it is ready to go for my enchiladas or whatever I make with this. This is perfect red enchilada sauce, guys. I hope you will try it. We'll see you on the next video.